What if the moon disappeared tomorrow? Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You walk to your window. The sun rises exactly where it should. Birds are singing. Cars fill the streets. Everything feels completely normal. But there is one terrifying difference. The moon is gone. No explosion. No warning. No bright flash across the sky. It simply vanished. At first, almost nobody notices. After all, the moon isn't always visible during the day. People continue their daily lives. Children go to school. Flights take off. Businesses open. Traffic moves as usual. The world keeps turning. Then, night falls. Millions of people step outside and look toward the sky. Instead of seeing the familiar moon, they see nothing. An empty piece of darkness. Within minutes, photos flood the internet. Hashtag "Where is the moon" becomes the biggest trend in history. Every television station interrupts its programs. Astronomers around the world immediately point their telescopes toward the moon's orbit. Every observatory reports exactly the same thing. The moon has completely disappeared. No debris, no dust, no impact, nothing. Scientists begin searching for answers. Could the moon have exploded? Impossible. An explosion powerful enough to destroy the moon would release unimaginable energy. Earth would have witnessed it instantly. Could it have drifted away? Impossible. The moon is too massive to simply vanish overnight. Every law of physics says this cannot happen. Yet, it has. Within hours, governments declare a global scientific emergency. NASA, ESA, ISRO, JAXA, every major space agency begins searching for our missing moon. Deep space telescopes scan every direction. Military satellites are redirected. Radio observatories search for unusual signals. Nothing. It is as if the moon never existed. Then, something unexpected begins to happen. Scientists monitoring Earth's oceans notice tiny changes. The tides are weaker. Water levels begin arriving at unusual times. Fishing boats report strange ocean currents. Most people ignore the reports. But oceanographers know exactly what they mean. Earth has already started changing. Because the moon was never just a beautiful object in the night sky. It was one of the invisible forces keeping our planet stable. Without it, the countdown has already begun. The first 24 hours pass without panic. Most people still believe the moon will somehow return. Scientists continue searching. Governments ask the public to remain calm. But nature has already begun responding. The world's tides become nearly 70% weaker. Coastal ecosystems immediately feel the impact. Many marine animals rely on tidal cycles to survive. Crabs, shellfish, sea turtles, and countless other species suddenly lose the rhythm that has guided them for millions of years. Fishing communities notice something strange. The ocean feels different, calmer, almost lifeless. Ships report unusual currents in places where powerful tides once existed. Then astronomers make another discovery. Earth's rotation has changed. Not dramatically, not overnight, but enough to be measured. For billions of years, the moon has acted like a natural brake. Its gravity slowly reduced Earth's rotation. Without the moon, that braking force disappears. Earth begins spinning slightly faster. The change is tiny, only milliseconds. But over thousands and millions of years, those milliseconds would become minutes. Then hours. Scientists realize something even more frightening. The moon doesn't just control the tides. It stabilizes Earth's tilt. Right now, Earth's axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees. That stable tilt gives as predictable seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Without the moon, that stability begins to disappear. The axis slowly starts to wobble. Not today, not tomorrow, but over thousands of years. The tilt could swing wildly. Some regions could face endless winters. Others could become scorching deserts. Entire climates would collapse. Agriculture would become unpredictable. Ecosystems would struggle to survive. Meanwhile, the night sky has changed forever. Moonlight is gone. The nights become much darker. In many remote places, the Milky Way suddenly appears brighter than ever before. People gather outside to witness the strange beauty. But scientists aren't celebrating, because they know this darkness is only the beginning. Earth has lost its closest companion. And no one knows what happens next. Days turn into weeks. The world slowly adapts to life without the moon. People no longer look up expecting to see it. The empty sky becomes the new normal. But beneath the surface, Earth continues to change. Scientists launch hundreds of satellites to monitor the planet. Every new report brings more unsettling news. The oceans are no longer behaving as they once did. Without strong lunar tides, water near many coastlines becomes stagnant. Less mixing means less oxygen reaches marine ecosystems. Tiny organisms begin to die. Then small fish. Then larger predators. The food chain starts to break apart. Coral reefs suffer. Fishing industries collapse in many regions. Millions of people whose livelihoods depend on the sea face an uncertain future. The effects spread beyond the oceans. Many animals have evolved using the moon as a natural clock. Sea turtles lose their nesting patterns. Coral spawning becomes irregular. Nocturnal animals struggle to hunt under unusually dark skies. Migrating birds become disoriented. Nature had always depended on the moon. Far more than humanity ever realized. Space agencies continue searching for answers. Powerful telescopes scan the solar system. Nothing. No trace of the moon. It hasn't exploded. It hasn't drifted away. It has simply vanished. Then another question begins to worry scientists. If something powerful enough to remove the moon exists, could Earth be next? Observatories begin searching for unknown objects. Military satellites remain on constant alert. Every signal from deep space is carefully analyzed. Still, there are no answers, only silence. For the first time in modern history, humanity realizes that some mysteries may be far beyond its understanding. And somewhere above the dark night sky, the place where the moon once shined remains completely empty. Months pass. Humanity has learned to live beneath an empty night sky. Children born after the disappearance grow up knowing the moon only through photographs and history books. To them, it is already becoming a legend. But scientists refuse to give up. The world's most powerful observatories continue searching every corner of the solar system. Then, a surprising discovery changes everything. Laser measurements show that Earth's axis is no longer perfectly stable. The wobble is still small. Almost impossible to notice. But it is increasing. Climate models predict a troubling future. If the wobble continues for thousands of years, Earth's seasons could become completely unpredictable. Some regions may experience winters lasting for years. Others could face relentless heat and drought. Forests would struggle to survive. Rivers would change course. Entire ecosystems could disappear. Meanwhile, the oceans continue to transform. Without the moon's gravitational pull, the strongest tides are gone. Coastal waters mix less efficiently. Nutrients remain trapped deep below the surface. Marine life continues to decline. Many species begin moving toward extinction. Scientists realize something painful. The moon wasn't just Earth's satellite. It was Earth's silent guardian. For over 4 billion years, it helped keep our planet stable. It slowed Earth's rotation. It controlled the tides. It stabilized the planet's axis. And it quietly shaped the evolution of life itself, without ever asking for anything in return. As humanity looks toward the empty sky, one question echoes across the planet. Did we ever truly understand how important the moon really was? Years pass. The world is no longer the same. The disappearance of the moon has become one of the greatest mysteries in human history. A new generation grows up having never seen moonlight. Poems, paintings, and old photographs become the only reminders that the moon once existed. Astronomers continue searching the universe. Every telescope, every satellite, every deep space probe finds absolutely nothing. It is as if the moon was erased from reality itself. Humanity slowly accepts a painful truth. Some questions may never have answers. But Earth's transformation continues. The planet's axis keeps drifting. Weather patterns become increasingly unpredictable. Some regions suffer devastating droughts. Others experience endless storms and freezing winters. Farmers struggle to grow food. Freshwater becomes more valuable than ever before. Millions of people migrate in search of stable climates. The oceans continue losing life. Many marine ecosystems collapse completely. Species that survived for millions of years disappear forever. Scientists begin calling this period the second great ecological shift. Yet despite everything, humanity survives. New technologies help produce food. Artificial ecosystems protect endangered species. Floating cities appear along coastlines. Civilization adapts, just as it always has. Then one evening, a young astronomer notices something unusual. A tiny flash of light appears exactly where the moon once orbited. It lasts for less than a second. Every telescope turns toward the same location. But once again, there is nothing. Was it an instrument error? A distant asteroid? Or did something look back at Earth? No one knows. The mystery remains unsolved. The mysterious flash is never seen again. Days become weeks. Weeks become years. Despite humanity's greatest efforts, the moon is never found. Scientists publish thousands of theories. Some believe it was pulled into another dimension. Some believe an unknown cosmic event erased it from existence. Others simply admit the truth. They don't know. But one fact is certain. Earth will never be the same again. The moon was never just a beautiful light in the night sky. It was Earth's silent partner. It shaped our tides. It stabilized our planet. It influenced countless forms of life. And for billions of years, it remained by our side without asking for anything in return. Sometimes, we fail to appreciate the things that quietly protect us until they're gone. So, what if the moon disappeared tomorrow? Humanity would survive, cities would still stand, the sun would still rise, life would continue, but our oceans, our climate, our ecosystems, and the night sky would never be the same again. The moon may seem small when you look up at it, but without it, Earth would become a very different world. So the next time you see the moon shining above you, take a moment to look at it, because that silent companion has been protecting our planet for more than 4 billion years. And without it, the story of Earth might have been completely different. If you enjoyed this journey through one of the universe's greatest what-if scenarios, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because our next adventure will take us even deeper into the mysteries of space, where reality becomes stranger than fiction. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is full of questions, waiting to be discovered.